The Gun Owners Legal Defense Network began the Referral Rewards Program in order to compensate concealed carry gun instructors for their hard work and dedication in educating the average citizen in the area of gun ownership and use. We pay each instructor $25 for each one of their students who becomes a member of Golden. Since the inception of the program, there has been a wide variety of responses. There are some instructors that are successful in getting 50% of their classes to sign up with Golden. There are some instructors who have promoted the program but have not seen one student become a Golden member. We visited several instructors and sat in on their classes to determine what type of approach has resulted in their students developing an interest in the Gun Owners Legal Defense Network. We've discovered several tactics that appear to spark the interest of the students. Instructors that show the instructional video provided by Golden have more students sign up for a year's membership than those instructors who do not show the video.
So we'll show the video, consider it, look it over. If you have any questions, get with me and we'll talk about it.
Congratulations, folks. You have just completed the course that will make you a part of a group of elite citizens, the Concealed Carry Permit Holder. My name is Bob Surgeonar. I spent my career as a police officer trying to... We are aware that time is a valuable commodity in your classes, so a time to show the video is sometimes limited. In some classes, the video is shown as the written tests are being graded. In some classes, the instructor sets 15 minutes apart to show the video and specifically discuss Golden. Another procedure that appears to result in more students signing up is the distribution of the applications in the class. We've observed more students actually filling out an application if it is placed directly in front of them. Fewer students apply if the instructor points to a pile of blank applications on a table and indicates that they are available. We've also discovered that some instructors are not promoting the discounts that are available. Members of the military, firefighters, and EMTs, and retired police officers can receive a $25 discount on their annual membership. 2 or more family members signing up at the same time both get an annual $25 discount. We've recently added a student discount for college students currently enrolled in school. And for those who don't fit into any of these categories, we will give them a $25 discount on their first year's membership if they sign up before they leave your class. New concealed carry permit holders are apprehensive about carrying their gun out into public.
Like I said before, in my older classes, I used to tell people that due to the possibility of getting arrested if you use your weapon for self-defense, you could be charged with manslaughter up to second-degree homicide. One of the things I recommend at the end of this class, way back when, was go find an attorney, or if you already know an attorney, get his phone number, put it on speed dial. Well, there's a new company that has just came into effect. It's been in effect for probably about a year now, called Golden, Gun Owners Legal Defense Network. And what they do is basically what I've been preaching for ever since I've been teaching. I've been teaching this class for 8 years. And that is to have an attorney available to you when needed.
First of all, how many of you have homeowners insurance? Why? If your house burns down, can you afford to eat it?
No.
Got car insurance? Give me a reason other than because it's a state law in Ohio, but why? If you're in a crash and you hurt somebody, can you afford to eat that? No? How many of you are actually going to go get your permit and carry a gun? Everybody. Good. If you're involved in an incident, even if you're right, how many of you can afford to get sued and lose?
They'd have to feed me if they sued me.
George Zimmerman trial just ended. How long did that go on? What do you think? Now, his legal defense was pro bono. They did it for free. But what do you think that would have cost him? Can you guys afford that? Even if you're right? mean, if you're wrong, you're going to jail and you won't have to pay it, I suppose. But if you're right, can you afford to eat that? No.
One of the things we really promote is Golden, Gun Owners Legal Defense Network, because one, you need to know how to use a firearm correctly and legally be able to carry it on the street. That's your CCW. Two, you need to have proper training. And pistol training is not just going to a range and shooting a bunch of holes in paper. It's basic daily practice. It's knowing how to use your firearm in the event that you have to use it. And three is the legal aspect. You need to be covered with a good firearm, good training, and the legal aspect is which is what Golden provides. Gun Owners Legal Defense Network, that in case of a shooting, if you're involved in a shooting, home break-in, hunting accident where a firearm is involved, you need to have somebody on your side instantly from a legal point of view who knows what to do. And this is what Golden's all about. They're a nonprofit organization. They believe in you, they trust you, and you're there for you. It's one of the two things in our classes that we promote. We promote Golden, and we also promote the NRA and NRA membership.
If you don't belong to this, let's put this in perspective. I say, you know, the annual renewal is $100 a year. 10 years, that's $1,000. Normal retainer for an attorney, especially in a situation where it is as serious as using a weapon in self-defense where somebody had died, you're looking at a possible $5,000 to $10,000 retainer alone, plus what what happens after that. Golden will go ahead and they'll actually pay the entire fee from start to finish, and all you do is keep maintaining your $100 a year membership. So I recommend that you get, or belong to Golden. It's well worth the investment.
The Gun Owners Legal Defense Network has tried to alleviate many of those fears by offering legal defense to our members if they ever encounter any legal problems when they are carrying or using their firearms. Unless they know what type of protection we offer, they will not be interested in the program. That is why the concealed carry instructor is so instrumental in promoting the program to the public. And the treasurer at Golden enjoys issuing those commission checks at the end of each month.